So the market continues to crash. Today at one point, I brought this up, this is a 7-day percent. At one point, this baby was down below 20%. The market continues to go down. It looks like we're trying to tick up just a tiny bit right now. We'll see what ends up happening. Bitcoin down over 6% in 7 days. We basically had a bit of a flash crash, and a lot of people want to know what's going on, what's happening. I'm going to tell you in this video what's happening, and I'm going to tell you what I'm currently doing. Now, this is an investment advice, and this is all speculation, but I believe in what's taking place. So today, I saw Sonny Decree's video, and by the way, you should check out his channel if you haven't, but he said he gave several options about what he thought was going on, and I think he pretty much nailed it with this solution here. First of all, you need to understand that there's been $800 million worth of Bitcoin that's started to move. There's 111,000 Bitcoin wallet that's been inactive. That's what this news story is talking about. This wallet has been inactive for 4 years, and now all of a sudden someone started moving coins, and they've moved them to 2 exchanges. One was Bitfinex, and the other was Binance. One of the things that Sonny mentioned is around that, literally about the same day that happened, this is not a price chart. This is price of the number of shorts shorting Bitcoin on Bitfinex. And you can see that it looks like it's just basically one big order in here shorting Bitcoin, and maybe some more orders here shorting Bitcoin. To create this big of a line, this is just a huge order. Well, what do you know? A day or two after that, this is a price chart. Huge sell-off. Boom, boom. Basically 2 days. Huge sell-off. So it's pretty coincidental that all of a sudden the shorts would go up one day, and then the next 2 days there would be a big sell-off in the market. And what he speculates in here, and I think he's probably correct, is that this Bitcoin wallet comes over here and essentially shorts the market to make money, because they know when they sell their Bitcoin, essentially to quote unquote cash out, when they sell their Bitcoin, they're going to cause a price to drop. So you call it market manipulation, or call it, what he ends the video saying, is it market manipulation, or is it just playing the market smart? I guess that's up to each person to decide. However, this is probably the cleanest explanation I've seen. It would make total sense that someone could short the market knowing that when they sell 50,000 Bitcoin, that the price is just going to plummet, which it did right here. That's the best explanation. That makes the most sense to me. So what am I doing? Well, days to day, I like to buy. I actually moved some money today. It looks like, who knows, before all my wires go through, which takes 7 to 10 days or so, before all that happens, this market may totally recover. That's just how the market is. It moves that fast. So I'll have to wait and see. But I'll tell you what else I did do today, just because I purchased some more P3D tokens. I purchased 2 ETH worth of P3D tokens today, and I'm still buying P3D tokens. And you want to know why I did that? It's a similar reason. There's been some bigger than normal, basically, selling going on. Right here, boom, boom, and I bought right around here. In fact, I might have been part of that green candle there. Who knows? What time is that? Yeah, that would probably be about when I into the 9 o'clock hour, started the 10 o'clock hour. That might have been when I bought this morning. But I bought 2 ETH worth. Not that would even move the market much, but right after, the old saying is, on a red day buy, on a green day sell. So anytime I see a big down move, I think it's a pretty good time to buy. So that's what I did. And if I had some more fiat available this second, and I've got some in transit, then I would have also bought some Bitcoin today, and probably some Ethereum. In fact, I might would buy Ethereum because it's had the biggest drop. So I think Ethereum may actually see the biggest gain. I'm very contrarian to the market. As long as I believe long-term in the fundamentals, and I still do believe long-term in the projects that's coming up, specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I will be buying some more. But I'm literally using my Bitcoin and Ethereum to fund my master nodes and to fund P3D tokens. And here's the other thing. All day long, this is the crypto browser that I'm running. This thing runs constantly. I leave it on overnight. It's just constantly mining. crypto. Someone said, yeah, you don't make a whole lot of money with that. No, you don't. But it's free money. Like, it's free money, so I don't really care. And it's awesome. And plus, I use Moon Bitcoin. I just made another claim. And basically, I just pulled these up. I pull up Moon Bitcoin a couple times. I'm going to look at there's a rotator out there where I don't like having a bunch of faucets to check. So I just basically found my favorite one. Moon Bitcoin is my absolute favorite Bitcoin faucet. And I've explained that before in a video. However, that doesn't mean there's not other good faucets out there. There are. But I found a rotator that I think I can add as a browser extension. So whenever I have some free time or whatever, I can just click through a couple of Bitcoin faucets and I can get it to start in order. So maybe Moon Bitcoin always comes up first, followed by, I don't know, Free Bitcoin, and then maybe another. I may look into doing that. I'm not in a hurry to do that. Again, this is just super small potatoes. And what I'm really using this for is to advertise for CryptoTab referrals. Add BTC, easy hits for you. This is where I started, and I'm just growing from there, looking for new places to advertise, because check this out. This is what I'm loving. My front level miners referrals, which you earn 15% of what they generate from their own mining efforts. I've gotten this over to 32 active live. It tends to be about 10% or a little more. I got it about 32 active live. And every time I advertise, and I'm getting to the point where I'm going to be advertising about every 10 days, and then it's going to be every 9 days, every 8 days, every time I get 100,000 Satoshi. Holy smokes. So it's starting to speed up right now, and as soon I'll be doing it every single day. I'll be adding active miners every day from advertising. So literally, I'm going to be starting to grow this thing at about 1 to 2% on my front level daily, and that's going to be huge. As this thing starts to really pick up. I mean, I can't wait to see over the next 3 to 6 months where this ends up, how many more active miners I have and how much more I'm earning each day. I'm earning about 10,000 Satoshi, which when Bitcoin's about $10,000, I think 10,000 Satoshi is about $1. So I'm doing about 10,000 Satoshi a day, maybe more. But that's growing exponential. Like, it's an exponential compound growth effect that takes place. And no matter what Bitcoin price does, it doesn't matter. This is totally free. Same thing with the faucet. Totally free. Totally free. All right, that's it. I think Sunny Decree nailed it. I'm going to put a link to his video down below. You can watch his video. All right, subscribe to his. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.